out into the world. The world.
Why are you recording it too?
I would go inside the world. The world. I would let it go over there. I would love everybody in my family, even my mom, even my dad, even my two sisters, my brother too.
Bro, yay! Good job.
Bud, do you want to do one?
You gonna do one, baby?
Yeah, wipe my mouth.
Wiping your mouth on your clothes. Well, come on, we're waiting.
We're gonna eat now.
Hi.
Well, we can't see you.
Hurry up, bud.
You're too close, baby.
Running my minutes
warm
here.
up for a little bit. You need change.
That basically means she's not gonna do it.